full overhaul, rebuilding it to original factory standards. Clips and connectors are loose and could fall off at any time. The rubber seals have aged and stuck together. The throttle body has oil inside. Now we start disassembling the engine. Turn up your volume and enjoy this satisfying moment. The cylinder wall is scratched, so we mark everything carefully to avoid mistakes during reassembly. The bearing is badly damaged, and the wear is very serious with large clearances, which affects performance out of 6 cylinders. 3 are heavily scored with visible scratches. This 3.7-liter V6 naturally aspirated engine has now been fully disassembled. Watch closely, we will turn it from this condition into a completely restored unit looking brand new, just like factory fresh.